To get started, please remove the shade from the package. Please note the following key parts of the shade as a quick reference guide. Note which stack style you ordered, meaning how the shade opens and operates. Please make sure you have the proper hardware for your shades. Adhere the provided adjustment sheet next to the screw hole on the headrail. Secure the headrail with screws to the top of the window frame. Attach the hangers to the clips at the top of the shade. Use pliers to help hold the clip steady as you attach the hangers. Attach the floor bracket to the end cap of the fixed vertical rail. Attach the fixed vertical rail by pushing the fixing hanger into the gap of the headrail. Tighten the bolt of the fixing hanger. Attach the movable vertical rail to the headrail. Align the hanger and insert the bolt. Tighten the bolt completely. Put the buckle bead into the groove of the right headrail end cap. Press the hangers onto the headrail from the front of the shade. Make sure the fixed vertical rail is aligned straight with the floor and wall. With the screw provided, secure the floor bracket to the floor or to the wall. For vertical day and night shades, please go back to 1 minute and 11 seconds in this video and repeat the steps for the other side. Tighten or loosen the screw to adjust the movable vertical rail so it is aligned straight. Slide the handle onto the handle base pre-attached to the rails. Your new shade should glide with ease. Congratulations on installing your new Veneta vertical cellular shades.
To get yours today, shop online at homedepot.com/blinds or visit the custom shade area at your local Home Depot store.